Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about natural beauty tips using Blushu Cosmetics. Blushu believes in harnessing the power of natural ingredients to help you achieve a radiant and glowing complexion. So let's dive right into it. The first step in any skincare routine is cleansing. Blushu Cosmetics offers a red wine, goat milk face wash that is perfect for this step. It contains red wine, which is high in antioxidants, and goat milk, which gently exfoliates the skin. This face wash is suitable for all skin types and will leave your skin feeling clean and refreshed. Next up, we have Blushu Cosmetics Vitamin C, Sun Protection, Skin Glow Face Serums. Vitamin C is essential for your skin as it protects against environmental damage, promotes collagen production, and brightens the complexion. These serums are lightweight, non-greasy, and provide protection from UV rays while nourishing your skin with vitamins and minerals. Moving on to hair care, Blushu Cosmetics offers a range of onion-based hair products. Onion is great for strengthening and nourishing your hair due to its high sulfur content. Their product lineup includes oil, shampoo, conditioner, and serum, all made with natural ingredients like aloe vera juice, jojoba oil, and argan oil. These products provide hydration and nourishment to your hair. Now let's talk about Blushu Cosmetics Aloe Vera Gel. Aloe vera is a versatile ingredient known for its moisturizing and soothing properties. This gel is made from 100% pure aloe vera juice and can be used as a moisturizer, after sun care, or to soothe insect bites and rashes. It's a must-have product for those with dry or sensitive skin. Exfoliating is an important step in any skincare routine. Blushu Cosmetics Walnut Scrub is a natural and non-abrasive exfoliator that gently removes impurities and promotes healthy skin renewal. Made with antioxidant-rich walnut powder, this scrub is suitable for all skin types and leaves your skin feeling smooth and radiant. Last but not least, let's not forget about lip care. Blushu Cosmetics Strawberry and Chocolate Lip Balms are a natural and delicious way to moisturize and protect your lips. They're made with natural ingredients like cocoa butter, shea butter, and beeswax. These lip balms keep your lips hydrated and shielded from the elements. So there you have it, some amazing natural beauty tips using Blushu Cosmetics. Remember, natural beauty is all about embracing your unique features and taking care of your skin's health. Blushu Cosmetics offers a range of natural beauty products that can help you achieve a natural and healthy glow. So there you have it, some amazing natural beauty tips using Blushu Cosmetics. Remember, natural beauty is all about embracing your unique features and taking care of your skin's health. Blushu Cosmetics offers a range of natural beauty products that can help you achieve a natural and healthy glow.